Hey guys, it's your girl LaShonda B, and I am back with a new skincare video. Today I'm just going to be showing you some products that I've been using for the past couple of days and have been liking on my skin. As you guys can see, I have my hair all wrapped up so I can keep my hair out of the way while I'm cleansing, moisturizing, and doing all of the above. But let's get started. The brand I'm going to be using today is called 103 Collection, and this is the owner here. Very beautiful. They have a beard collection located in Myers as well as Target. You guys, I love that they carry stuff for the men as well. But yes, I'm going to be trying out their antioxidant collection that comes with a facial scrub, and these are all vegan, you guys. Show you guys the texture on this because I really like it. It's very jelly, but it comes with the facial scrub. It comes with the antioxidant facial moisturizer. This is 2 fluid ounces. The scrub is 4 fluid ounces, you guys. And it also comes with the antioxidant facial toner, which is also 2 ounces. The facial scrub is supposed to be for cleansing as well as a nice gentle exfoliation, and it is pretty gentle, you guys. It does have a scent of blueberry and cranberry. I feel like it gives me more cranberry smell than blueberry, but it's still very faint for the people who are not interested in fragrance. It's not strong at all, but we're going to get into this. Let me read the directions first. It says to wet your hands and add a quarter-size amount on your hand, then apply in a circular fashion on face and or body for gentle exfoliation. Can use with fingertips or with cloth. Rinse off with warm water. Can be washed off with warm water. Simply pat skin dry and moisturize. I'm gonna show you guys how I use this. I just go in with warm water on my hands. Make sure that your hands are clean. And I just pat the face with the water. Get it very damp, glowy, just like that. It says to add a quarter-size amount. This is about the amount that I add. I make sure I follow directions, especially with facial scrubs, because you don't want to over exfoliate. But I just add that on my hand and just go in circular motion as is stated on the directions. I actually do feel like this is very gentle on the face, and I love the way that this makes my skin feel after use. It makes it look very soft and feel very soft. All right, you guys, this is how my skin is looking, and it feels super soft. I do want to say that sometimes it takes me 2 times to rinse all of the facial scrub off, since it's an all-natural vegan facial scrub. But this is also the first vegan facial scrub that I've tried that doesn't get really messy, where like the exfoliating beads are everywhere. I also really like that, but y'all see the nice subtle glow that it gives. I really like it. But let's go in with the toner. All right, so again, this is how the toner is looking, and I do want to say that I really like their packaging. I also love these glass packaging. It has like the frosted glass, super neat. But it says that it removes buildup, residue, and dead skin cells. Their facial toner assists in reducing the amount of facial blemishes and acne you may already have and work to prevent future breakouts. Our toner provides hydration to your skin, which is essential to maintaining elasticity, smoothness, moisture, and youthful appearance. I love a good toner, you guys, and I love a toner that doesn't dry on my skin. We're gonna go in with this. I also love the fact that their spray sprays very well. Sometimes I run into toners that's really good, but the spray bottles suck. I love the spray bottle. This is actually pretty hydrating. You guys know I talk about me using dry toners all the time. I can't use them because my skin is combination to dry, and so some toners usually dry me out, but this one actually put hydration back into my face. Look at the glow. It's giving. And I forgot to mention that this is Black owned, as I stated before. This is the owner. Love that. And you're also placed in Target and Myers as well, if you did not get that the first time. But we love the toner. I'm going to give the scrub, so far, first impression, 8 out of 10. The toner, 10 out of 10. Love the toner. It's very hydrating. But now, you guys, we're going to get into the facial moisturizer, which is the final step in this bundle. The facial moisturizer says an amazing blend of botanical plant extracts, Cold pressed plant oils, Irish moss, and antioxidants deliver much needed minerals to moisturize and soothe. I think this is the first thing that I've seen that has Irish moss in it, and I like that. Directions state after cleansing and toning, apply a dime-sized amount to skin. Can be used day and night as the ultimate complement to your skincare routine. So I'm just gonna, you see a dime-sized amount? I kind of go overboard with moisturizer. I'm gonna use that much. Put it together. Feels so good. It doesn't have a smell to me, but this feels so good, you guys. It just melts in like butter. You guys know I love a good moisturizer where I don't have to be rubbing it in all day to get the moisture to sink in. I love this. And a little bit goes a long way because, as I stated before, I usually use more than a dime size amount, you guys. And for that little bit to moisturize like it did it for me. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it. The moisturizer, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love it. I have no problems with it. No problems with the texture, the smell, or the amount of moisture that I receive from the products. Yes, that's a 10 out of 10, you guys. And my skin is looking really, y'all see the glow? It's looking really, really good. I will be putting the pricing of the bundle that was tried out today in the description box, as well as the brand name and the brand website. So you guys can just do a few clicks and be there already if you're interested in buying. But I love it so far. I'm going to continue to use this because my skin absolutely loves this brand. And I've only been using it for a few days. Yes, you guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Comment and subscribe. And your girl is out. Peace out, y'all.